Our David Agus is here with more on this story. And I read your notes. You were happy about this move. This has been loosely regulated for decades. Why the change now?
Well, over the last several decades, we've gone from 1,000 products up to greater than 50,000 products. And 3 out of 4 people in the country take them. 4 out of 5 elderly, 1 in 3 children are taking these. And the big question is what's in them. There is no requirement to have them looked at or analyzed before they go onto the market. And so we need quality, and at the same time, we need to get away from the claims. We're going to stop Alzheimer's and cancer with these pills. Without data, lots of claims are being made.
And what are some of the health concerns surrounding these supplements?
Well, they interact with existing medications. There's, many of these plants that they're derived from absorb heavy metals from the soil, so there could be contaminants in them that can cause a problem. At the same time, these are drugs, and you're taking them. Some of these vitamins in high doses can actually increase the rates of cancer, of bone fracture, and many diseases.
Specifically, the FDA sent 17 letters to companies that are selling products that claim to treat dementia. What should people know about supplements? Do they prevent dementia or Alzheimer's?
What do you think? The answer is no.
I think no.
Yeah.
Right. I mean, if any of these things
When you pose a question like that, what do you think? I think no.
We would all be
taking it.
And so, unfortunately, they're preying on
I was expecting
people.
to say there's no data to show.
Yes, I mean, there is no data to show them at all. And to be fair, there have been no studies done with most, if not all of them.
How does this differ from how the FDA regulates prescription drugs?
Well, we had the commissioner of the FDA who went through a tweetosphere, 12 tweets attacking the supplement industry. I mean, the good is they were all data-driven and they were appropriate. Right now, the FDA, when you submit a drug, it looks and makes sure it's exactly pure before you give it. And it looks at a clinical trial to say, can you make the claims it works? Does it help diabetes? Does it slow cancer? Does it improve cognitive function of someone with dementia? The supplements, they just put them on the market. And it's voluntary whether they can be analyzed by something called the U.S. Pharmacopoeia. Some of them have a label. We were looked up by USP, the U.S. Pharmacopoeia. Of the 50,000 on the market, 100 are approved by the U.S. Pharmacopoeia.